Hello beautiful people, welcome again to my channel. Today we are making yam and spinach sauce. This is also called by your Ampesi in the Ghanaian language, and I'm making this because it's one of my mum's favorite, and as she was around this week I thought I'd make it for her. Why not? Hey, and yes, you will see her hands in there giving me instructions and trying to help out just to make sure she gets the exact flavors that she wants. So I hope you enjoy making this. Thank you to all my subscribers for supporting me this far. I've taken all your advice on board and I've listed all the ingredients that you need with the exact measurements. Please follow it to the T to ensure the exact taste that we had and we loved. I wish you all a wonderful cooking experience, and to all my new subscribers, Akwaba, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit that notification button. Let's cook. Well, if you didn't believe me before, there we go. That's my mom. Guys, if you want more flavor, don't change the pot. See, I use the same pot I used to boil my spinach to do the oil as well. So, hey, more fusion of flavors. Come on, look at that fish. Golden brown. Mmm. Wait, have you subscribed yet? Come on and hit that subscription button, and while you're at it, the notification button too. That way you get all the latest videos. Bing, 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 bing. Come on, it's banana ZB. That would be mummy again. I can't get this woman out of the kitchen. Abba. Well, as they say, agro chai. We're about to enjoy all of this yummy, yummy food. Come on, people, go make your own and thank me later. Blessings, and hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Come again, same time, same place. Share the love, people. Share this video, and let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think. It's the first time I've done voiceover on my video as well, so please send me some comments. Thank you so much. Blessings and much love.